Right, here's the outside engine bay side of our column. We have our coupler right here. So as you guys can tell, we're not using the OE style rag joint or any of that nonsense. We got these beautiful Borgeson forged universals for both ends. And now we need to take a measurement from here to here. And we're gonna add about an inch or so. So there's enough inside each end. And we tighten it down here. So that's 3/4 double D. And of course we have plenty of play here too. We can slide this collet up further, slide this collet down further, get it in and then locate everything. Oop. But that's gonna sit right about there. So we have it up, we can get in, do what we gotta do, slide it back down. Right on the money. Slipped in both sides to where it's right at the end here of the coupling. So it's not gonna interfere with the universal. Same thing with up here. And we have some play up here too. We can move it around a little bit, but we don't need to. Steering shaft done. Bitchin'. Steering shaft. Check, painted, installed, the crank down. Another piece off the list, Wick.
Always a good thing.
Oh yeah. There's our speedo cable I ran in earlier. We're gonna do the throttle cable escutcheon, which is sitting right there. It goes on the other side of that hole right there.